Hey guys, we've got March 16th, 2016. This would be spring number 2 of getting the bike out, seeing if it starts after a long winter. It's been away since I think it's October about 16th or the 18th. Been sitting here on a battery maintainer, fuel stabilizer put in before it was parked, and same with change the oil. So we'll see if it starts, and we'll go from there. So I'll be in front of the camera a little bit just to get everything off, but we'll see what we got here. Yeah, she's dusty. That's alright. Unhooked the maintainer. Ended up just doing a cigarette lighter style 12-volt plug on the other side I use for other accessories, GPS and such. So I just run a backwards feed for maintainer into the other side all winter. So let's hope that it goes. I think we're far enough away that we won't be rubbing if I start it to make sure. Okay. Good sign so far. See if she starts. Again, the first start since last fall.